How to clean an outdoor concrete fountain. Outdoor fountains add a tranquil touch to any lawn or garden. The sound of flowing water and sight of gathering birds provides a peaceful retreat in your own backyard. Regular cleaning is necessary to maintain outdoor concrete fountains. Algae, dirt and plant matter accumulate in the fountain over time, staining the concrete and ruining its appearance. Clean your concrete fountain at least once per season to keep it looking like new. Things you'll need: white vinegar, old toothbrush, garden hose, liquid bleach, scrub brush. Unplug and remove the fountain pump. Rinse the pump with white vinegar, and scrub it thoroughly with an old toothbrush. Rinse the pump with a garden hose. Drain the fountain according to the manufacturer's directions. Pour 1/4 cup liquid bleach into the fountain. Scrub the inside of the fountain thoroughly with a scrub brush, adding more bleach if necessary. Rinse the inside of the concrete fountain thoroughly with a garden hose. Any bleach left behind can hurt birds or animals that stop by for a drink. Replace the pump, and refill the fountain with clean water.